The HirePOS reminder screen is a great tool for displaying tasks that are coming up in order of their occurrence. However, sometimes a more global view is required to help you make business decisions. This is where the sales calendar comes in. To access the sales calendar, you can select the calendar button from the reminder screen, or at any time navigate to Sales Calendar. On this screen, we see pretty much the same entries that exist on the reminder screen. However, they have been laid out in a logical, time-sensitive manner that better describes the timing relationship between each entry. At the top, there is an option to include or exclude quotes from the calendar view, along with a host of filters to help you isolate only the information that is important to you. There are also options to link your HirePOS calendar to Google Calendar in order to display your HirePOS bookings against your other calendar entries. Down the left-hand side of the screen, there is an eye icon for each and every record on the screen. Clicking this will give you a useful quick pop-up with the basic information relating to that record. You can click directly on a calendar entry to open it up and make edits. When you save, you will be taken back to the calendar screen to view your changes. For more information on the various organizational tools throughout HirePOS, Google Calendar Sync, or editing sales records, please see the related tutorial or visit the Help Center in the HirePOS app.